Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step guide on how to send money from Chime to Palmpay. So watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and also hit the subscribe button because that actually helps me out. So you can send money from Chime to Palmpay by adding your Chime debit card to Apple Wallet and using it in Apple Pay. So here's this simple step-by-step guide on how to do that. So to add Chime card to Apple Wallet, open the wallet app on your iPhone, then tap the plus icon. Then from there, select debit or credit card. Then scan or enter your Chime debit card details. Then follow the prompt to verify your card. Then the other step, which is to use the Apple Pay to send money. Then open the message app. Then start a conversation with the person you want to send money to. Then tap the Apple Pay icon. Then enter the amount and authenticate using your Face ID, your Touch ID, or your passcode. Then tap on send. And that's how you can simply send money from your Chime to Apple Pay. And that's it.